What's going on, everybody? Today we're at Wonderland Marine West checking out the new Skeeter ZXE 21. This is a new model for 2026, replacing the previous ZXR series. Basically, everything they changed on this boat is super beneficial. We're very happy with. Back here, we got 250 Yamaha SHO. We got two Minn Kota Raptors shallow water anchors going on the back on a hydraulic jack plate from TH Marine. One of the big differences on this boat that we really like is they've made this battery compartment a lot bigger, so everything's a lot easier to access. You can fit 5 batteries in there now with how many electronics guys are running. You got a 5-bank precision charger to charge those batteries up as well. All right, so at the dash here, we got an Explorer 12 with an Explorer 9 linked up front. What they did this year as well is they kind of redesigned the panel here with the switches. And the big thing is they upgraded the gauges here. We have the command link gauges, so you can see your hours, your voltage, everything like that right here super easily. And then on your left here, you got your motor up and down and your jack plate on the right. So everything is super easy. You don't have to have multiple hands to function everything. New drainage system down here at the bottom. A little bit different setup for the co-angler rods, so you can fit a lot more rods on this step setup. Then they still have their day box, a little bit redesigned with a USB port in there. The front deck is obviously a little bit different. We got the trolling motor moved in a little bit. This was one of the biggest headaches across all manufacturers, is putting your cover over the trolling motor. Having this head right here just helps a lot cleaner look with the cover and no struggles. Big other difference is these are now slam latches, so they're super easy to open and close. You don't have to turn, or you're never going to scrape up your fiberglass, which brings me to the next new feature. The whole front deck is now fiberglass, which is a huge upgrade in stability and also keeping water out of your compartments, keeping everything dry. Right over here is your new day box, twice the size. Obviously, most of us on the water, we're going through a lot of baits, especially what they're biting that specific day. Having a day box this big makes things so much easier to access and keeps you on the water, keeps the bait going more smoothly. All right, so up front here, they switched the switches for the trim to stomp switches, so they're a lot easier to go up and down. And then another big feature is this right here. This is it's on hinges. It's a door for your wiring. You take this graph off, and then you can access all your wiring underneath there. Because you all know when we're putting new graphs on, changing things out, Garmin Live Scope, Lowrance Active Target, going in here previously, you'd take all your screws out. Now it's just simple. Open the lid and you have complete access. Another thing that Skeeter does differently, every trailer that is on these boats is built in-house. They're one of the only manufacturers that do that. So they size the trailer specifically to the boat, and everything is straight out of the warehouse. So having the boat, motor, and trailer all together kind of helps bring it all together as one piece. So come on down to Wonderland Marine West. We have plenty of different models to display. My name's Owen. I'd be happy to show you.